ग्राहक साथी 18th May 2024, Volume 4, Number 45. Grahak Sathi helps consumers to get their complaints resolved. Contact CERC to help you. Is your newly purchased refrigerator or air conditioner giving you problems? Have you received an incorrect telephone electricity bill? Has your car not been serviced properly? Did you receive a wrong faulty product when shopping online? Such and many other problems are commonly faced by consumers like you in their everyday life. But you should never feel helpless. It is your right to get your consumer grievances resolved. Raise your voice and demand justice. Do not remain silent. You are welcome to approach Grahak Sathi at CERC. Remember that CERC is with you at every step to help you get resolution to your complaints. We at CERC have dedicated ourselves for the last 46 years to helping you protect your consumer rights. Our 360 approach towards consumer protection has helped many consumers get their small and big grievances resolved. We have a well-established multi-step complaints resolution mechanism to help you get redressal for any consumer grievance that you may have. Toll-free consumer helpline 1800-233-0222. The CERC helpline team listens to your complaint and gives you guidance on who and how to approach for your complaint. Consumer Advice Center. Here consumers are provided with pre-purchase advice on goods and services and help with their post-purchase complaints. Complaints and Mediation Department. This team makes effort to help you get redress to mediation. On receipt of your complaint are approach for solving your problem. If required, face-to-face mediation with both parties is undertaken for better understanding and resolution. Legal aid and litigation. Our legal team takes your consumer cases all the way from district, state and national consumer disputes redressal commissions to the Supreme Court for getting you justice. When mediation fails to resolve an issue, complaints can be filed in consumer courts by our lawyers, where CERC becomes the first party to your case, lending weight and credence to the matter. Once again, remember that you are not alone. We have helped many consumers to get their complaints resolved to their satisfaction. In this issue, we bring you detail of some consumer complaints which have been resolved through our efforts. What is the consumer right to seek redressal? It is the right to seek redressal against unfair trade practices or unscrupulous exploitation of consumers. It also includes right to fair settlement of the genuine grievances of the consumer. Some complaints resolved through CERC intervention. Samsung gives refund for discontinued TV model. Dr. Neelam purchased a high-end model Samsung TV in 2017. After 6 years, she faced a problem with the display of the TV. After consulting Samsung service team, she agreed to change the display on a chargeable basis. However, the display panel was unavailable due to the model's discontinuation in the market. Despite multiple attempts, she did not receive any response from Samsung. She then contacted CERC for help. CERC contacted the relevant authorities at Samsung and persuaded them to consider the case and get it resolved. After continuous follow-up with Samsung, CERC was able to help Dr. Neelam get a refund equivalent to 29% of the TV's original price. The complaint was satisfied with this resolution. Points to note. Keep purchase documents like bill and warranty for reference when needed. In case of complaint, immediately contact the dealer or company customer care. Keep record of your correspondence and phone calls to strengthen your case if the problem is not resolved. Akash Institute refund fees. Hitarth Chauhan enrolled at Akash Institute for a two-year JEE course. He faced difficulties with teaching and felt neglected by the faculty. Even after trying to adjust for about 4 months, he could not follow the classes. He then decided to leave the course and requested a refund of the down payment of fees and the EMIs. The institute refused to refund the fees of Hitarth. He sought assistance from CERC for the problem. CERC wrote to the management at Akash Institute about the issue and requested them to refund the fees. After CERC's intervention, Hitarth got a refund of Rs 88,878. Precautions to take. Keep all documents and proofs including any advertisement, brochures for future reference. Take the terms and conditions in writing. Find out about the terms of refund of fees before enrolling and keep a note of it. Refund obtained for receiving wrong product by JioMart. Vaibhav Joshi ordered Wagh Bakri tea from JioMart but instead received hair oil. Vaibhav promptly notified JioMart of the mistake and requested a refund, but no response was received. Subsequently, he turned to CERC to address his grievance. With CERC's intervention, Vaibhav got a refund of rupees 486. Remember, no complaint is small enough to be ignored. Even if the product or services cost is very small, it is your right get value as promised by seller. Make My Trip gives refund for flight cancellation. Deepika's travel plans were disrupted when the air tickets she booked through Make My Trip for her journey from Ahmedabad to Srinagar via New Delhi on Go First Airlines were automatically cancelled. Additionally, her return flight from Srinagar to New Delhi on SpiceJet was delayed by 5 hours and eventually cancelled. Her connecting flight was scheduled from New Delhi to Ahmedabad, so Deepika had to promptly arrange an alternative flight from Srinagar to New Delhi. Despite reaching out to Make My Trip multiple times for a refund for the cancelled flights, she received no response. Feeling helpless, she sought assistance from CERC. CERS relentlessly pursued the matter with the company and was able to finally help Deepika get a partial refund of Rs 18,968 from Make My Trip India Private Limited. Be aware and alert. In case of flight cancellation, immediately approach the ticketing agency and the airline for refund through available options, customer care, mobile app, email, etc. Keep a record of all cancellations and delays. Be patient but follow up relentlessly for resolution of your grievance. Read the terms of refund in case of cancellation or delay carefully while booking the ticket. Do you have a consumer complaint? Do not remain silent. Raise your voice and demand justice. Remember, CERC is with you every step of the way. CERC is your Grahak Sathi. Let us help you get resolution to your complaints. Editorial team: Chairman CERC and Torch Praful Amin, Chairman CERS Walter Vieira, CEO and Executive Editors Uday Mavani, Associate Editors Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goyal, Editorial Assistant Meena Bathvi. Address: Consumer Education and Research Center, 802 Grahak Suvidha Kendra, Sakar 2, next to Ellis Bridge Police Station, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad 380006. Phone number 07935337262. Email address: complaints@cercindia.org. Helpline number 1800-233-0222. ध्वनि मुद्रण शांता मेहता डिजिटल टॉकिंग बुक लाइब्रेरी, अंजन मंडल, वस्त्रापुर, Ahmedabad 380015. Voice over by Anil Dave.